This cabinet organizer here, this one, is actually from the Dollar Tree. You need to run and get it while supplies last. Don't say I didn't tell you. Hey friends, Cindy here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to do a Dollar Tree haul. I will show you what I bought, and if you stay till the end, I will also show you what I will not buy again at the Dollar Tree. You won't believe it because this product looks so well made and amazing. It's so cute. Do not be deceived by looks. Some of the products are brand names and I was actually shocked to see them at the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned to find out. Let's do this. Look what I found. It's a Lazy Susan turntable and it's just for $1.25. Of course, it made it into the cart. It's actually a brand name product from Bed Bath & Beyond. Dollar Tree has really stepped out their game on this one. It's perfect for organizing spices, condiments, and other items in your kitchen, pantry, or cabinets. You can also use it in the bathroom, office, so many uses. Cool, right? It has a non-slip surface and can rotate 360 degrees for easy access. You can reach everything you need while cooking or baking. Also, the packaging stickers removes well without leaving any residue. Look at that. It can be annoying when it doesn't, right? It's really well made, y'all. Go buy it. Next is this drawer organizer that will keep everything neat and tight, and like the Lazy Susan turntable, this organizer is also a brand name product from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's perfect for organizing your kitchen utensils like can openers, serving and wooden spoons, and other kitchen items. It comes in different sizes, both small and big as well. I just happen to need this big one, so that's what I got. This drawer organizer has a non-slip surface that helps to keep your items in place, and it can also be removed if you want to do a thorough clean. I like that. Before I show you another brand name surprising Dollar Tree find, check out this other type of drawer organizer, which is on the smaller side compared to the one I just showed. Dollar Tree has these drawer organizers in black as well, but I chose this one. Unfortunately, my Dollar Tree was out of the smaller one. It only had it in black. So I'll keep an eye for this smaller one because I'll need it. Apart from organizing your utensils, you can also use this to organize your junk drawer or use it for your garage if you have drawers there, and also you can use it in your craft or sewing room. Good thing about this drawer organizer is it keeps everything neat and tidy. It's also made of durable plastic so it can withstand heavy use. Pretty cool stuff. This 3-step cabinet organizer is another surprising Dollar Tree find I was talking about earlier. It's also a brand name product from Bed Bath & Beyond. They have it in both small and big sizes as well, so you choose what works with your space. You can use it in the cabinet to organize your spices like so, or you can use it in the pantry to organize different cans like tomato cans, soups, beans, all that fun stuff. This cabinet organizer allows for easy access for your items and makes everything look neat. It's really well made with durable plastic so it can withstand heavy use, and it has a non-slip surface that helps to keep your items in place. Okay friends, question of the day. Let me know in the comments below which products you like the most from this haul. Moving on, I also got these small baskets in white and gray. They have them in different colors at the store. They mimic a real basket and they are so cute. These baskets are perfect for storing a variety of items in the bathroom, pantry, office, closets, among other areas of your choice. Examples of items you can store is small electronic cords, makeup, scrunchies. They can also double as a gift basket for small items for people in your life, and good thing they can reuse it to store their items as well. No need to trash the basket. A friend mompreneur lady recommended these baskets. She does content on money saving tips and making money from home. Go check your channel out and let her know Tandy sent you. Next are these lidded plastic jars. They are clear so you can easily see what's inside. I'm gonna use them in the bathroom to store cotton balls and floss. If you have these plastic jars, let me know in the comments what you use them for. I also scored these acrylic small organizers. They are perfect for storing a variety of small items such as jewelry, hair accessories, and office supplies. You can also use them to organize items in your kitchen pantry, drawers, and fridge as well. Good thing is they are also clear so you can easily see what's inside. Okay, now it's getting hot in here. Talk of bougie on a budget, I also got this glass candle holder. It's made of clear glass, and good thing the sticker removes well without leaving any residue. See what I mean? It also sits a little bit elevated to protect your surfaces from being burnt. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your home and for enjoying your favorite candles in peace. Next are these multi-purpose clips. They are made of strong plastic and they come in different colors. The clips are perfect for closing different type of food bags when not in use. You can also use them to clip papers in your office and much more. Good thing they are also reusable and durable, which makes them a great value for your money. And for just $1.25, these are really good, y'all. Go buy them. I also bought this shelf and drawer liner. It's perfect for protecting your shelves and drawers from scratches and spills. It's easy to clean, apply, and remove. You can also use it to spruce up the top of your old furniture like office desk, dressers, or TV console. Here's a simple hack that has worked out for me. So I used to have busy counters in the previous house, as you can see here, and I would use this paper on those counters when doing product photo shoot or videos. You can see the difference here from when I'm using the drawer liner from the Dollar Tree and when I don't have it. You can easily produce good quality content just by adding this Dollar Tree drawer liner.
If you're getting any value from this video, maybe hit that like button so the video may spread more people. Thank you for supporting my mom.
Moving on, I found this Dollar Tree hidden gem, the big scooper in black and white. They also have them in red and white as well. This scooper makes it easy and fast to access food in big bags. Good thing it's also dishwasher safe, which makes it easy to clean. Okay, now this is the product I promised to share in the beginning of this video, the egg organizer. You should have seen how excited I was when I saw this egg organizer at the Dollar Tree. Of course, it made it into the cart. I felt like a kid who have been given candy at the bank drive-thru. It's so cute and looks very well made, except that this product didn't work for me because the shelves of my fridge are thicker here. But hey, if your fridge is more forgiving than mine, maybe this gem could work for you. But if you have the same situation as I do, you can as well save your $1.25 in some frustration, my friend. You're welcome. Sorry eggs, you're going to go back till I find a better home for you. Did this product work out for you? Let me know in the comments. Check out this video I suggest next for more valuable content, and share this video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.